Right. So yeah, we were saying कि कल हमने एक क्वेश्चन देखा था. We'll just start with a brief discussion of that question. What was the question? I hope all of you tried. Write a program
Reverse.
to palindrome के लिए था. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes,
Write a
sir.
program to enter a string,
And check whether palindrome.
and check whether palindrome or not. ठीक है? Whether palindrome means both the ways you read, it will be read the same. Okay.
Like
Palindrome
mine.
or not. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे? First we will be checking what? We will be finding the reverse of the string, and then we will
Yes, sir.
check whether the reverse of the string is equals to the string itself, the original string. We'll see two approach. First one. Okay. First we'll take one string as input. You can give some prompt. I'm just going for shortcut, but you should give. Right. Then you will take one emp variable which is nothing but containing empty string.
Empty string.
Good. Then we will iterate through the loop for I in range. कहाँ से कहाँ लिखेंगे?
0 to len of s.
Len of s. Good. Then what we'll write? Rev equals to
S I of S plus ref.
S
S
I of s
I plus
plus
rev.
I of s plus
Rev.
rev. Can we write the other way?
No, sir.
No. एक और
No,
चीज
sir.
हमने कल देखा था. If
Sir.
this is
For I and S also we can write.
I of s क्यों?
No, for I in instead of range, can't we write for I in S?
हाँ, वो भी करेंगे. करेक्ट करेक्ट. मैं यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ कि what if this also we saw was -1 minus len of s -1 and then -1. अगर ये होता तो ये वाला क्या होता? What we would have written for this line?
Opposite, sir.
Opposite.
Ref.
The string itself.
Okay. Then you will write opposite. Okay.
Sir,
हाँ.
so today's class 46, I guess, sir.
Today class
46.
what 46?
So
Yeah,
your
class 46.
Number.
No, sir.
Right. Just a minute, 46. Okay. Give me a minute. Yeah, sorry, let me have some water. Okay. Yeah. Then उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? Once this is done, we have found reverse. What should we do then? Next,
If
if what?
Rev is double equals to S.
Rev is double equals to S. one of you was asking कि double equal to use करेंगे कि नहीं. इलहम देखो वो उससे मत कंफ्यूज करना. वो जो जावा का वो होता था डॉट इक्वल्स वगैरह वैसा कंसेप्ट नहीं होता है इसमें.
yes, sir.
Okay. Then friend
It is a
palindrome. Yeah, it is a palindrome. Else
Else print normal.
normal, not a palindrome लिखेंगे.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, the sentence one, madam, I am Adam, that one, it will also take into account the blank spaces.
नहीं उस तरह के sentences में ना generally you won't मान लो कि spaces won't be there.
Sir, but the program will take into account.
My program will take into account, but see, वो हम लोग बोलने में बोल देते हैं मैडम आई एम मैडम, बट एक्चुअली वो है नहीं. Okay, but if you ignore the spaces, then it is a palindrome. Okay.
Okay.
Sure, and even if the first letter is capital and the second string, the first letter is not capital, even then it does not work, sir.
But why? Python is case sensitive, na?
Sir, and I found an easier way, sir. I did it in an easier way.
Yeah, it is one very easy way is there. Tell me. I was about to discuss that, but बताओ क्या सोचे?
A is equal to input. B is equal to input.
A is equals to input.
Input. B is equal to input.
Why you are taking second input?
Keep it. Only one input. A is equal to input. Then if A block brackets colon close the brackets is equal to
A colon bracket then close
the bracket, sir, is equal to A block brackets colon -1.
Yeah, you are almost there. Correct.
Close the brackets. Next line, print palindrome.
Yeah, correct. This is what I was telling the second method, but थोड़ा सा refine करेंगे. I'll refine this program a bit. Okay. Yeah. When I said second method, I was about to discuss this only. Okay. Else not a palindrome. Good. But slicing, you use slicing. And this is called box bracket. Okay. Not a palindrome. But tell me, this to you obtained reverse, but did we need this? Though it is correct, but do you need that? Slicing करने की जरूरत है क्या?
No, sir.
Why? It can be A only, sir.
Yeah.
We can just use A.
We can just use A. Okay. Right. Fine. ये मेथड समझ में आया? दो second one. Here what we did was याद होगा I said कि one of the ways to reverse any string is by slicing it in negative direction. ठीक है? This one. So it will if step is -1, if you remember, if a step is -1 and you do not have the start and end positions, by default they will be -1 and len minus len a -1. ठीक है? So which will be going in reverse order, generating the reverse of the string. Right? Is this concept clear to all? ये बताइए. Okay. Yeah, Arpit has understood. So yes, Pooja, Ruchika, Nanika, and Gaurav.
Understood, sir.
Okay. You seem to be very
Okay.
high on it. Good. Right. हाँ आज ठीक है. और भी कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? Though this is short test, see this is short test, but तुम लोगों को ये तरीका पता होना चाहिए because this is not possible in all programming language. ठीक है. Slicing नहीं सारा language नहीं support करता है. All programming languages do not support. But if you know this approach, then you can write this code in any language because this approach will work in almost all the languages. Okay. Right. और थर्ड वे एक हो सकता है उसमें सेम चीज में बस यहाँ पे व्हाट वी विल डू इज आई विल नॉट डू इट सेपरेटली. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या लिख देंगे? विल राइट हियर. यस, इफ वी राइट हियर ओनली एस, व्हाट शुड कम हियर?
Order will be different.
This order will change. It will become rev plus si.
No.
Then
Only I, sir.
only I.
Only I.
Good.
The previous character won't get added up.
Because now in I every time you will get one character at a time and not an integer which will be index position. ठीक है? Okay. Right. क्या वो भरत है ना आज? Generally he'll be responding बीच बीच में, पर आज नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay. ठीक है. So this was it. Next question देखते हैं. Write a Python program to.
So Bharat says he's there.
Is there? No. Good. Good. Great. To enter a string or a sentence. Take a string which can be sentence and print the number of words in it. Number of words in it. Any idea? कोई logic बता सकता है?
Sir, we'll
How
add
do
a
we
counter.
find the number of words?
We'll put a counter in the program.
Counter will count what?
Sir,
The
after every space we can like increase the counter by 1.
Increase the counter by 1. Okay.
For I in range Z.
Ilam, have you solved these types of question in 10th?
Yes, sir, many types.
Good.
We use scanner class over there, sir, to like
हाँ नहीं वो तो scanner class is for taking input.
that sc dot next part to get the next word.
अच्छा correct. हाँ उससे भी हो जाएगा. sc dot next भी जो है ना जो before the next space it will encounter. Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone else please ignore him totally. वो वहाँ पे एकदम नहीं जाना है क्या बोल रहा है वो. Okay. Right. So.
Sir, we don't have scanner class in Java, no. In
क्यों जरूरत
Python.
कहाँ है? यहाँ पे input directly function works for that. Okay. तो उसमें देखो जावा में कॉम्प्लेक्स क्यों हो जाता है? स्कैनर क्लास के अंदर फॉर इंटीजर यू विल यूज नेक्स्ट इंट, देन यू विल यूज फ्लोट के लिए नेक्स्ट फ्लोट, नेक्स्ट डबल, ठीक है, लाइन के लिए नेक्स्ट लाइन या नेक्स्ट, तो वो बहुत सारा हो जाता है. इसमें सिर्फ इनपुट विल डू द जॉब. ओके राइट. So what will be the solution? Solution है जैसे कि Ilham has said, you will count the number of words. For example, if you have a sentence, I am happy. Okay. So, and we are also assuming that each word in the sentence, or no assumption here. Correct. I am happy today. मान लो ऐसा मैंने लिख दिया. Okay. So tell me how many words are there?
4.
4 words are there. So what we will do? How do you know that a word has ended and a new word has started?
Space.
Blank space.
Based on blank spaces in a sentence. So what we will do? We will set a counter which will count the number of blank spaces. Okay. Will it solve the problem?
Then we'll add 1 also, no sir?
Correct. Then we'll also add +1 because in every sentence the number of words is equals to number of blank spaces +1. जैसे देखो यहाँ पे 4 words है तो blank spaces कितने हैं? 1, 2 and 3 blank spaces you have. So number of words is +1 the total number of or total count of blank spaces. Okay, so logic is number of words is equals to count of blank spaces +1. बहुत सिंपल है. Blank spaces +1. Now how we'll solve the program? We'll input a string. Okay. Input a string. And then we will set a counter to 0. Then we'll write for I in, चलो इस बार S ले लेते हैं. For I in S. Now, every time I will be getting one character from this string. Okay, one character. First time I में I आएगा, second time blank space आएगा, third time A आएगा, fourth time you will get M, fifth time you will get this blank space again. So what we will do is every time we encounter a blank space, we will increment the counter by 1. That means you just found a word, you just completed scanning a word, right? So you will write if
I is equal to blank space.
If I is double equals to blank space. Okay. This is not empty string. I have left given one blank space. Let's say for denoting a blank space, I'll just write B with a cut. Okay, there is no such symbol, just to denote blank space. Denotes a blank space.
C equal to C plus 1.
Yeah. So every time I matches a blank space, you will say that we just completed scanning one word. So we will increment the counter of C by 1. So every time it will get a new character from S. Okay, this S will give you the list of characters or a list of strings which are nothing but individual characters present in the string. So it will be something like I, then blank space, then A, then M. ऐसे करते हुए डॉट लास्ट तक जाएगा, which will be
Y.
Okay. Right. This is just for explanation. Okay. So it will be something like this. So I'll rub it. नहीं तो ये program का part दिख रहा है. Okay. Right. ठीक है. Then once you are done scanning and once you have check every character for being whether it is blank space or not, the final count of C you have to increment by 1 outside the loop. You will write C plus equals to 1 या C is equals to C plus 1 या नहीं तो you can simply print directly. Print
C plus 1.
Total number of words is equals to C plus 1. ठीक है, एक बार ये प्रोग्राम देखो. Is it clear? All of you, just have a look.
Yes, sir.
गौरव and others, तुम लोग भी बताओ. Okay. I guess nobody is stuck. Now, there can be one more way. कुछ लोग एक और तरीके से करते हैं. I will tell you that as well. Okay. And what is that way? Some people will start the counter from 1 and won't increment at the end. ठीक है? That will also solve the problem. Or some people, what they do is, this line itself they will change. देखो कैसे. This is first way. Second way can be, one way is that you start the counter by 1. That is also another possible way. Then you won't write C plus 1 at the end. Okay. But that way has a problem. If you increment the counter, or if चलो ठीक है. हाँ.
Sir, Bharat is asking whether the print is written under for.
No. भरत ये बताओ कि every time will you print, every time you get every time you find a word, तब उसी समय print कर दोगे कि you will print the final count of total number of words. ठीक है? That means after you have checked all the blank spaces. So you don't need to, you need to print only once ना. You don't need to print more than once. कि every time you find a word and you will increment it. तो उस तरह का काम नहीं करना है हमें. So therefore we'll only write it after the for. Okay, because final count of the word will be this. Okay. Right. Yeah. Second way में कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं? They will write something like this. S is equals to input. And they will, in the next line only, they will write something like S is equals to S plus blank space. And then they will do C is equals to 0 for I in S. And then you will write if.
Sir, just changing the order.
Huh?
Just changing the order.
No, I'm not changing the order. I'm simply adding one more blank space at the end, or whatever the sentence is. Okay.
Just we are not just at the end we are not increasing the counter, no sir, by 1 then.
Then we will not increment the counter by 1 at the end. If you add a blank space to every string or every sentence, then total number of blank spaces will be your total number of words. Okay. So some people do that as well. Print. But there is a caveat that goes along with that, sort of warning. What? In one case it will fail. ये पहले समझ में आया? Why did we add a blank space?
Yes, sir.
So that the total number of blank spaces, whatever is the original string, you just increment one more. You just add one more space to it, to the original string, so that now the total number of total count of spaces itself will give you the total number of words. Plus 1 नहीं करना पड़ेगा last में. But this approach will fail only in one case. What will be that case?
Numbers, sir.
नहीं, numbers का ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. वो ये कभी भी दिया रहे तो मैसेज में एक वार्निंग लिख देना. ओके, this will not be valid, this solution will not be valid for what? Empty string. अगर यूजर ने बस कुछ किया ही नहीं, यहां पे इनपुट करने के लिए आया, यूजर सिंपली प्रेस्ड एंटर, नथिंग, तब क्या होगा? दिस विल गिव यू हाउ मेनी
It will
वर्ड्स?
show words as one.
One, yeah, which will be incorrect. बट इस केस में, हाँ, इस केस में भी वो गलत होगा, इस केस में भी गलत आ जाएगा. नॉट ओनली इन दिस, इन बोथ द केसेस दैट विल अप्लाई. ठीक है, तो ये इस दोनों इस सॉल्यूशन का लिमिटेशन है हियर आल्सो, बिकॉज यू आर
Sir,
एडिंग
so
प्लस
this
वन.
error is logical error or runtime error? This error is logical error or
This is
runtime error?
logical error.
So
It's-
the users error.
हाँ, you can correct it. चलो कोशिश करना.
Yes, sir.
कहीं पे एक ये लगा देना, इफ लगा देना ऊपर में.
Oh, sir, you can start if it is an empty string, we can directly end, or we can start if it is not an empty string, we can start this for loop.
करेक्ट, गुड, वो कर सकते हो तुम. दैट मीन्स व्हाट ही इज सेइंग इज, यहां पे ही c इक्वल्स टू 0 के ये s के बाद ही व्हाट वी कैन डू इज दिस एंटायर पोर्शन
We'll take under if block.
हाँ, we'll take it under if, or else if s is not equals to empty string, then we will do this. Else we will print a message that it is what you say is an empty string. So number of words equals to 0. ठीक है, उसको मॉडिफाई करने की कोशिश करना खुद से. नहीं हो पाएगा तो let us know or post in the group. Sir, this program will not work even when the user enters space. हाँ, that is also correct. पर हम ये मान के चल रहे हैं कि यूजर ऐसा जनरली बदमाशी नहीं करेगा. यूजर इज अ वेरी गुड पर्सन. ठीक है, तो बट हाँ, think of all the scenarios and then you can write, you can try to evolve later, and थोड़े दिन बाद और कुछ टेक्निक सीख जाओगे जिसमें ये सब चीज को भी तुम you can counter.
सर एग्जाम हम लोग कौन सा आएगा, तो हम लोग कैसे लिखना है वो?
Just a minute, give me a minute. Hello. Good morning. अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है, मैं ऐड कर देता हूँ आईटी में. ठीक है, 8:45 में है ना, मैं ऐड कर देता हूँ. अगर नहीं दिखेगा तो जस्ट लेट मी नो, है ना. ठीक है, 8:30 तक मैं ऐड कर दूंगा. ओके, Sir, that note is for which program? Both the programs, Bharat. ठीक है, दोनों प्रोग्राम में ये प्रॉब्लम होगा. ठीक है, तो ये सब कुछ है. You can just try to modify this, but if the question comes in board for both the solutions, you will get full marks. ठीक है, just for your knowledge, so that you मतलब develop a full proof idea and a good programming skills start from today itself. ठीक है, right.
Sir, means for this question, everywhere the program will be written either in 1 or 2, means first method or second method.
Yeah, one of those. Why not? ठीक है, okay. Then ठीक है, now see what I am planning is 5 minutes plan बनाता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं I'll give you a break and then we'll start with the class. Second period is mine only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, how I am planning is before you go for your vacation 17 से, I want to cover a few topics. कोई लिख सकते हो तो लिख लेना, so that if I forget you may remind कि if I miss anything. Abhi in the second class we will start with something known as ASCII/Unicode. This will give you the power to play with strings. मतलब string को उसके बाद तुम you can juggle in any ways. Okay, ASCII Unicode एक
The
बार
holiday starts from 17th and till when?
till 26, I guess.
Means 26th school is there or 26th is
No, I think 10 days straight will be there, including 26.
Okay. Okay, sir.
ASCII Unicode. Then what we are planning is उसके बाद with this something with this discussion will be complete. Then we will be discussing string formatting, if possible.
So what is SS?
Huh?
SS.
Where is SS?
Arpit sent in the group chat box.
Screenshot.
स्क्रीनशॉट तो मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है अर्पित का.
Sir, SS लिख रहा है वो according to.
So he's asking if you can take a screenshot.
SS का
We
full
can
form
take a
sir.
screenshot for that.
Okay. String formatting. Okay. Then is third type is your while loop. Okay. And for with else. इतना तो कम से कम हमें खत्म करना है. ठीक है. And if possible, we will start with new data type. If possible, अगर मिलेगा तो, but I think नहीं मिलेगा time. But I'll write if we get any house spare time. We'll start with a new data type known as lists. Do not explore it, please. But just I'm writing the plan. Okay, ये नया data type मिलेगा.
Sir, you said something about extra classes during the vacation. We don't have any now, sir, this time.
I don't know. Other teachers may inform you.
So Asharam told on the PTM day that's only for 12th, right?
अच्छा मैं नहीं बताया था ना उसमें. हाँ correct. Only for 12 then तो तुम लोगों को बढ़िया good.
Yes.
Right.
Sir.
ठीक है. New data types, that is lists. And हाँ ठीक है, इतना ही हो जाएगा. But let us see कि इतना हम लोग कर पाते हैं कि नहीं. Okay. I'll also not take too many classes. 1 or 2 days. आज लिया है. Maybe 1 or 2 more days I'll take. Not more than that. बाकी हर दिन 1 classes ही होंगे.
Sir, can we go through the syllabus? How
Okay,
much?
syllabus. देखते हैं syllabus में कहाँ है.
Sir, do we have arrays in Python?
Do we have?
Arrays.
Arrays की जगह ही मैं तुम्हें वो list बता रहा था. जो list है ना.
हाँ sir.
That is rather what you say is that is rather more powerful than arrays. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let me check. Syllabus हमारे पास है क्या? I'll just take 2 minutes to go through the syllabus, then we can start. Revised curriculum.
Sir, break till when, sir?
Half an hour.
Okay.
Sir.
Sir, our school website is almost never updated, mostly. So, who handles it, sir? Do you handle it or?
मतलब मैं ही हैंडल करता हूँ, but
Okay,
ठीक है.
sir.
Just a minute to go. अच्छा, because this session is closed now, अभी मैं इसे ऑफ कर दूंगा recording.